Today we're gonna make pork and celery stir fry, and that's the celery we're gonna use. So we cut it off. Okay, then we wash them a little bit. All right, and we're gonna cut it like little strip, like that. Okay, I think we're going to use about 4 cups. That's a pork we're going to use we use about 1 pound of pork, any kind of pork you like. Only thing we have to cut it to a strip, little long strip. So pretty easy, you just cut it like that. You just cut it like that, see? Any direction you want, just cut it, slice like that. Okay, then you go back to cut it into a strip. So you just cut it like that. You cut it like that. Okay, and that's how you cut up strip here. All right, then we got the cut up here. Then so we're gonna marinate them with some salt and one white pepper. And we're gonna mix them around here. After that, you put an egg in it. You mix them up. And also after that, we're gonna put some cornstarch in it. So you try put a little bit in it, and if not enough, we can always put more in it. Maybe you need a little bit more. Okay, then we're gonna put some oil in it. Probably just that much. Yeah, that's fine. You see, that's pretty right. Okay, so ready to fry up. And you put little oil in it. About some oil enough to cover the pan. All right, then we can start putting it in there. You kind of try to picking them up a little bit, kind of separate them, so they don't stick in all together. You have to cook it until they are kind of all separate up, like they don't stick together. I think it's okay right now, so we can pick this up. Alright, then we're gonna cook the vegetable right now. So I'm gonna put some oil in it. Ginger, chop up gingers. And a couple tablespoons of garlic in it. And the onion, green onion. And we're gonna put the carrot. And now we're gonna put the celery in it. The vegetable turn a little bit deeper color. You can see the vegetable turning deeper color. That's about a little bit cooked down already. You can see the color is changing deeper. We're gonna put some cooking wine in it. We put about 4 tablespoons of cooking wine, cooking sherry, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. 1 tablespoon of cooked sesame seed oil. And some white pepper. Half tablespoon of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. So we're going to put the meat into it. Okay, I think I'm going to put 1 more tablespoon of oyster sauce in it. 1 more tablespoon of oyster sauce. So we're going to put a little bit more green onions in it, and also a little bit of cilantro in it. And we can cook them up. Okay, this is pork and celery stir fry.